Okay, now students, the chart 6, that what plus adverb plus helper plus subject plus verb plus object, then question mark. So it's change subject plus helper plus verb plus negative word plus adverb, then full stop. इसी में सेंटेंस नेगेटिव होता है तो इट डज नॉट मैटर प्लस मच इवन प्लस जो भी एडवर्ब्स में आया हो इस टाइप से उनको ज्वाइन करके और वाक्य को पूरा कर दी। तो देखोगे तो व्हाट मोर कैन यू डू, इसका सब्जेक्ट क्या हुआ? यू कैन डू। अब असर्टिव है, यू कैन डू नथिंग मोर, यू कैन डू नथिंग। नेगेटिव वर्ड क्या होगा? नथिंग और दैट एडवर्ब दैट मोर। ओके, एंड what though we happen to be late, so this is a negative meaning shown in there. So sorry, it does not matter much even though, पूरा फॉर्मेट के अनुसार, दो वी हैपन टू बी लेट। क्या हुआ? इट डज नॉट मैटर मच इवन दो वी हैपन टू बी लेट। ओके, एंड व्हाट इफ ही इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट आई seen this, it does not matter much even if he is more intelligent than I. Okay, and what is sweeter than honey? So the first structure, this is same structure. It does not मैटर। अब यहाँ कोई सब्जेक्ट प्रॉपर नहीं है तो इट डज नॉट मैटर मच इवन एनीथिंग इज स्वीटर देन honey. Understand? It does not matter much even anything is sweeter than honey. This type point. This format you learn after you solve it. What more can I do for him? First structure, I can do nothing more for him. How easy? Just fastly, mainly this understand the structure, then you solve. So once more I repeat you. What more can I do? You do nothing more. This structure to follow. Then what though we happen to be late? So it does not matter much even though we happen to be late. And what if he is more intelligent than I? So it does not matter much even if he is more intelligent than I. What is sweeter than honey? So it does not matter much even anything is sweeter than honey. What more can I do for him? So I can do nothing more for him. This converse. And last chart also safe. So this again I explain you. Thank you.